This right here is the Polaroid camera. Same iconic body, one lens, one flash, and some film. And the reason the Polaroid camera fascinates me, because in a world where everything is edited or has some kind of filter on it, the Polaroid camera becomes that spontaneous shot. It's kind of an exciting feeling knowing that I don't have to edit the photo afterwards. Now, I grew up in the 80s, and the only thing digital was our TV and our Nintendo Entertainment System. Film cameras were all we had. So knowing that, we took the extra time to make sure we captured the right moment. Hashtag no filter, hashtag actually. So nowadays, some SD cards can hold up to thousands of digital images. Whether it be on your phone or your DSLR, I think knowing that we have so much ammunition, we immediately go trigger happy, and we kind of slowly lose the art of capturing the moment. Because once you make that click, that's it. The photo is finalized, you can post it on your wall, you can frame it, it becomes that tangible memory in a matter of minutes.